Good morning, social studies buddies. Happy Wednesday, and welcome to our third day of world religions, where we'll be going over Islam. Now, look how exciting! Remember the wall art I was talking about? That is a miniature where someone took a socket and built a little office in it. Ooh, it's so exciting! Now, we do have Zooms today. If you have any missing work, it has to be turned in today. I'm closing out grades first thing in the morning tomorrow. I love you. Bye-bye. Today, we're going to look at Islam. Today, during class time, synchronous and asynchronous, I want you to complete the Islam activities, and then I'd like you to look at the vocabulary. We will start the Zoom by having a quick discussion of Judaism, and then the activities are here, the screencast will be here, and the vocabulary link will be right there. So, the activities today are as follows. You have the slideshow. You have a video for daily life. You're going to use Ducksters to kind of explore a website, do some reading. Crash Course Islam is a YouTube video. And then at the end, if you're done, watch this YouTube link about Arabic art and see if you can maybe create some of your own. I'd also like you to find your way to the vocabulary and kind of go through some of those cards and learn some of the vocabulary and see some things you'll see over and over. Some important things to know about Islam. This is one of their major symbols, the star and the crescent, and this is their holy book, the Quran. Islam is the second largest religion in the world. It's about 22% of the world's population, mostly found in Middle East, North Africa, Southeast Asia, and now in the United States, which is a good thing. More religions, more views of the world is a good thing. Someone who follows Islam is also known as a Muslim. It's based on the teaching of Muhammad. You'll find a lot about this out in the video you watch, so I don't want to go over it, but this is very important things, and we will discuss these tomorrow. So keep scrolling. There are 5 pillars: the Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Siyam, and Hajj. We're going to talk about all these things tomorrow, so please do familiarize yourself with this, read over the slides, and go over it. I do want to keep the screencast short today so that you have plenty of time to do the activities, do the art, and the vocabulary. I'm going to try to do the same thing with the Zooms, so please do email me any questions. Keep them in the chat, stay in the Zoom. Please, please, please let me know if y'all need anything today, and good luck. Have a fabulous day.